My dear friends, you'll have to excuse my appearance and my breathlessness. For the past 10 minutes, I've been tolling our bell. 1 minute, a small token for each of the 10,000 that we've lost to the coronavirus. 10 minutes, a small token indeed, for all the black lives that we've lost to racism and violence, especially over these past few weeks. Later, having had time to reflect further, I'll speak to you from my bookline study, and I'll try to explicate the meaning that we can make from this moment. I'll speak to you of love and anger and how those two things are not antithetical. But for this moment, here alone in this chapel, sweating and tired, I wanted to take a moment to speak to you of witness. To speak to you of a moment when witness means being sweaty and tired and uncomfortable and sore. When witness reminds me of the root of compassion. Come with passion, suffering. To walk with a people in solidarity, to practice compassion, is to walk with a people in their pain and in their suffering. This is the work that we are called to do as Christian people. If this moment, if we are to make meaning from this moment, that is the work that we must do. First, a work of witness and compassion, and then a work of making real the words of our prayer. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. But for this moment, here, now, it is to take seriously the call to witness a people in their suffering and in their oppression and in their pain. To abide with that pain, to feel the Spirit stirring within us, and to answer that Spirit's call to action. May it be so.